Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show how to turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we have to move to the more advanced settings of this camera. So we go to the left corner here, and by tapping on this we get access to the camera settings, and we have to slide down to the useful features to have the grid lines here. And we can easily turn it on and also turn it off by using this button. So I'm going to stay for now on turn it on grid lines to show you how it looks like. And as you can see here, we have the grid lines. So these lines are here. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography, and it helps to improve our photographic skills. And we can go back to these settings to turn it off also. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.